Hey there everyone, it's Diserella here at Secrets Playa Esmeralda, one of the newest resorts here in the Dominican Republic, and it is stunning. This is a kind of sister resort situation, so you have Dreams, which is family friendly on one side, and Secrets, which is adults only on this side. We're here at a preferred club, Oceanfront Swim Out King Room. This is room number 5108, and we're going to take you on a little bit tour. Come on in. All right, you can already tell it's stunning. So first of all, when you walk in the door, one of the cool features that most Secrets resorts have is what they call the secret box. And this is so that you can have your room service delivered and taken away without being disturbed. You know, you're in your robe, your hair's not done, your makeup's not on, you don't want to be disturbed. That's what it's for. So you've got some lighting controls here. And then we've got our closet with the robes, slipper. They do have laundry service. You've got a safe and some drawers. Steamer, which I love. You don't have to pull out the ironing board. And an umbrella in case it rains. Luckily, it is beautiful here today. All right, so right behind us here on the right is this gorgeous bathroom. So you've got your toilet in this room, and they do have the frosted glass. It is open, so just know that there is no door shutting off the bathroom here from the rest of from this hallway. So just know that. But the shower and toilet stalls areas are frosted glass. And then come take a look at this beautiful shower. I love the tile work in both of these. So pretty. Rainfall shower head. Do you have some amenities in there? Some shampoo and conditioner. It's the Pharmacopoeia brand probably, yep. And then we've got double vanities out here. You've got some, again, some little toiletries and things there that you might need. Hair dryer down there. But look at this beautiful soaker tub with the view. These will open up. These do close off. I'll show you. If you prefer to have a little bit more privacy, you can do that. Or if you want the view, there you go. Love this detail here that they didn't just leave it a blank wall. It's really nice architecturally, just beautiful. I love the ledge for storing things. And so again, this is a king bedroom. There are a limited number of double queen rooms here on the Secret side, just a few. So just know that. And then in the preferred club, you do get the burlap Secrets bag. This has our towels in it for the stay, which is lovely. You've got some drawers here, really beautiful vanity. They've left some fresh fruit. This is the mini bar. And the mini bar does get restocked. Right now it has some fruit juices, some sodas, some beer, the Presidente and Presidente Light, and some bottled water. You've also got an ice bucket here, which you can have your butler fill. Each of the preferred club rooms does come with a butler. They work, I believe, 9 a.m. to 11 p.m., maybe 7 a.m. I need to double check that. But you've got a corkscrew here, bottle opener, and some glasses. I love this little touch. There are turtle nests on their beach that they protect, and so they tell you about that here, and they give you this little bracelet and these little carved wooden turtles. So cute. I think they're magnets, so you could like take them home and put them on your fridge. Mini bar items, and again, these will get refreshed throughout the day. You've got your coffee machine here with the pods and the accoutrements there. Beautiful desk. Look at this desk. Now this was not part of it, but beautiful, beautiful wooden desk here. Over here we have a little sitting area with a table for your room service. Now this was something special that they maybe because we're returning guests, I'm not sure. But this is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. The champagne, we're just celebrating a little bit here this weekend. So they did a little something nice for us. I love it. They have the weight of my heart, charcuterie board and champagne. But now, here's the real kicker in this room, right? This is the Misha's Beach area, and Misha's Beach is a long, beautiful stretch of beach. It is gorgeous. I can't wait to get out there and show you guys, but take a look at this view. This room is just stunning. Look at that. So you've got 2 loungers in the water. Connects on the sides here. But look at that gorgeous beach, the gorgeous water. You also have 2 chairs with footrest out here. They're very comfortable, I can tell you. I've already sat in them. But you see there's a water sports area there. Your non-motorized water sports are included. We're very close to the preferred pool. We're gonna give you a whole resort tour later on. But right now we just wanted to show you this room, and I don't think you can get much better than this.